synthesis gas oven, and you or someone else is installing it, and you've connected everything up and you're ready to start the oven, hit the on button. You'll hear the fan, the blower fan start up. Then you'll hear a tick, tick, tick sound on the other side when it tries to light, but it could come up with flame. Now, that means it hasn't lit and you need to reset the gas. So, reset the gas. This purposely has the gas turned off so it'll come back up after it tries to ignite like it is now. And it'll come back up with flame again. Now, if you push that straight away, sometimes it doesn't reset. You might have to wait 10 seconds and then push the button and it tries to light again. So now I'll turn the gas on and then we'll try it again. If you've just installed the oven, there might be some air in the lines and it might take a few goes to get it to light. And that's the noise as it's trying to light. And it was unsuccessful because there's not enough gas in the line. So we reset it again. And it starts in the max value. Now it's lit up. You can hear a roar and the temperature will start to climb. Like that. So now what we're going to do is, if it still doesn't light, what could be the problem on the ignition side near the burners? So just follow me. So inside this box you've got your gas valve, your ignition box, and the burner, which is just a series of injectors. We've got 2 screws here, 2 screws there, and 3 screws on that side. And then you can remove that. So if you look inside, this has 5 nozzles. They're all different depending on which size of the oven is, how many you have. But the flame comes out there. These 2, which are there, they're the igniters, and we'll show you them in a minute lighting. And there's a 3rd one here, which is the electrode to sense the flame. And I'll just show you a diagram to show you Okay, so this is the front of the burner, and you've got the 2 spark electrodes that will come through the top here and hang down here, and the sense is always at the side, and it'll come around underneath here and stand up inside the flame. So this has to be, the flame has to be hitting this for it to stay on. This is the ignition coil. The ignition box is mounted in the control panel. Your gas valve, flame sense, and 2 light for the spark. And I'll just turn it off, turn it back on, and show you it lighting. So it'll turn on the gas, and then you'll see the spark. It ignites, the spark stops because it's sensing that the flame is there. So if it doesn't light, you may have to, these electrodes bend them down a little bit. Just be careful not to break them. Be very gentle. This part is porcelain. You don't want to put any pressure on that. It will crack and break. So you want to hold the electrode at this point and then bend from the other section, and you can push it down or up, but it shouldn't be directly in the middle of the flame because it'll burn off. It should be just at the edge, enough to get a reliable ignition. And that's for that.